Can an ordinary neglected balcony in a high-rise become your favorite place in the whole apartment? In this episode, we'll show you how to transform this space on a budget and save on electricity bills. Because clever solutions and cheap makeovers are what we like the most. So grab your coffee or tea and see what's worth doing and what tricks to use to get a result straight out of a furniture catalog. We're heading to Krzyszy's parents' apartment because that's where our team was challenged. Thanks.
I'm rolling up my sleeves.
Listen, I have a suggestion. Just pass and don't move.
You always do that and I like it. It's a change, making things easier, though it doesn't always work out.
Stand still, watch.
Well, you already started like that.
And you?
These are some new things. No, these are groceries from Biedronka. Oh, I thought they were new, not unpacked yet.
I'll tell you, Arxie scores record this. Do you see the potential that I see?
You're finding more work for me? Yes.
We have a new episode of Scratched Window.
But I'll tell you, Martian.
I see potential here. Yes, we'll make something of it. You know what? No, I don't know. Proceed.
It's a table, but it looks totally different. Okay. We'll use it in the episode Free with Elix.
Hey, Krzyszu, post it on OLX. You're giving it to us.
We made a deal, despite Krzyszu saying he'd rather throw it away. No commission.
I'm passing it on.
Tamer, I'll start painting everything. And maybe you can go get the furniture.
Furniture, the floor.
Decorations like that. Thoughts?
We have a plan for all of this because, you know, these recordings, it's not like we're here for the first time. We looked around, talked for half an hour, and agreed on what and how since we envision a beautiful space here.
Listen, I have a cool mixture. Repaired compound with fiber for exterior use, quick drying, so all positives, as you can hear. And now I have to fix these unsightly gaps. This beautiful owl is what I was looking for. The texture is uneven. As you can see, someone made these marks on purpose. So all you need is some sandpaper, and after patching it up, there will be no trace left. It will really look like new. No one will notice the difference after the repair. All right, first we'll prime the recesses and then use the big roller for the rest. Listen, I scrubbed the entire balcony on my knees. It's clean and it looks how it looks. Of course, we're talking about the floor, and unfortunately, we decided that we're going to do the floor here. It's already settled. Cameron went to the store. He'll be back soon with the materials and we'll start laying it. Let's go. If it's even, that's great, no problem. It's a system where we fit one into the other, and I'll make a cut at the end.
Amazing.
Nice, isn't it?
Incredible, Arxie, beautiful, right? Hard to believe, but the wood works. No.
Dear ones, I arrived at the base. Why? It's simple. We have an air conditioner on the balcony that we want to camouflage. So what do we need to do? Make a nice cover, a quick way. I'll show you in a moment. Let's go, but there's one more thing. Claimer reminded me that he's going to space today. A pole. We have to watch the launch. Wow, just think, you're sitting there, goalie. You're not watching. Wow, you said it yourself.
They drove off, they flew away, and I was watching in the car, and no.
It's amazing you said yourself that the launch is about to happen. The rest is for retirees who have time.
Arthur said they're flying, so they are, since he knows.
God, you're so annoying, man. Jesus Christ. And now Saturday with you, God, I'm going to have a mental breakdown. The beams are cut in front of us. Now we have to screw the slats together. There's a bit of that to do. And what's next? I'll tell you later, my friends. Well, the cover is already screwed together, but as it happens in life, there was a change of plans. And together with Clamra, we decided to paint everything white. Obviously, it would have been better to paint everything while it was disassembled, but we'll manage, no problem. So I'm taking the wood preservative, or paint, whichever you prefer, and we're painting everything white. Listen, we've already cut the windowsill and the board for our air conditioner cover and everything else off camera. Now I'm routing two sides and that's a bit of a struggle. Everything's packed. Let's go to the balcony. Hold on to the clamps. We're not assembling it yet. We just want to check how it looks.
But it's beautiful, honestly.
Look at this. What a difference it makes. We just need to touch up the bottom.
Because otherwise we'll mess everything up.
But the difference, when you stand here, just stand here, like this.
But there's a difference. Man!
I'm excited. Let's take it now. Awesome doesn't even cover it. But is this a table with a teddy bear?
Here's one chair, one has to go here. And okay, two folding ones, standard folding chairs.
So they're even folded. You just really need to unfold them. That's what I think. It matches the floor.
Damn, is that good or bad?
I don't know either.
But maybe it's not that noticeable. Well, it kind of blends in. It's a bit unclear where to sit. Krzysha's parents are elderly and their eyesight has declined, so they might not see where to sit. We'll paint it using the dry brush method, actually a dry sponge, gently brushing with a white wood preservative using a dry brush. Aha, okay.
That what,
We've done more than one balcony like this, and it always bothers us seeing that color inside. Red doesn't fit our design at all, so in the past we used to unscrew those panels and just cover them with foil. It's a bit of work. You have to be careful not to crack the glass, and you have to make sure no one is passing by below. So Arturek and I decided that we'll do it using the so-called quick fix method. We'll cut a mat like this to size, and you'll see how everything comes together. It's cut so precisely that zip ties aren't needed. It hurts. You know what the problem is? There's no laser around. And now we've got 400 pieces left, but it's moving along.
I got a surprise for you. You have to look here. You're always hungry. Well, I'll bring you something in a moment.
How I like to eat it, he does too. I love working alone. It's already time for a food break and we haven't even started. That tag on the outside rubs him, but here, when he has original pants, 12 tags don't bother him.
So maybe you see some others.
Plus, he removed the metal one that sets off the gates for me.
Honestly, let me tell you this.
You don't believe?
I've seen you do it on t-shirts, but not live.
You don't believe it, right? I didn't either.
I still can't believe it. If things improve, I'm getting a kebab.
Oh, damn.
I guess I won't be going quickly, no, but seriously, when does it work?
Could you straighten it faster with a hot iron?
I guess that smell really sparks your imagination. Everything is simple.
And it's already much better. You don't see it, you know, but on t-shirts it works. Kuba said he irons his bedding with this, and I said, you sleep in those chemicals.
Oh my gosh.
All right. Let's treat this place as a blank canvas. Even though it's not clean, it's already a little landscape from the back. But we'll paint the front, we'll paint a fence and a house, and painting that fence and house will be the decorations and things that need to appear here. A clever solution, as you've likely seen in several of our videos, is the folding table, which works well. And believe me, in 35 seconds I take the chairs with Arturek, I take the decorations, we arrange them here and there, and the effect will be perfect.
And I can do it. I'm waiting. I know I should do it at the end, or maybe not. But soon, yes, yes. And there you go. Woo.
You surprised me with the size.
Just like with the likes.
Beautiful flower pot. Not everyone likes artificial cages, but you don't have to take care of these. Little candle, ethnic patterns. I think it will be good here, and please, you can light it up, and these little ones here will complete the whole thing. Kuba, it's good, it's good. How would I look with bangs? Like an actual person, haha, but so harsh. I think here we'll have a green fake stem on set just once, but you guys could go for a real one.
Just like you said, for those who don't want to think about watering but still want that green vibe, it's there.
2 days ago, we probably wouldn't be sitting here casually having coffee, Arturku.
It's pleasant, it's beautiful, and on top of that, the sun,
Wind in our hair.
natural energy.
But you want to say that there aren't two like the five of us, not even six. I think, listen, well, to put it modestly, it turned out awesome.
I'm really proud, honestly.
No exaggeration, no frills, no extras. We tried to keep the budget under control. We tried not to go overboard with the colors. As they say, less is more, and that was key to the nice effect. It's nice to sit here.
Don't write in the comments how you like it. We are satisfied.
Until the next episodes and our metamorphism, especially as the series is ongoing or will continue, we're getting started on the rooms in the house at the price of an apartment. So that's going to be awesome.
The coffee is too hot for me.
Too strong for me, ha 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 ha. Listen, it looks beautiful, but the words of the main person involved, actually the son of the main people involved, are really nice.
Absolutely beautiful. Even better. Just as I expected, it really is beautiful. I'm judging it with every part of my body. This is a wonderful little terrace.
You look like we forced you to say that.
No, absolutely not. Really happy it's beautiful here.
We turned on the camera, but Kazishu got a bit emotional. That's the beauty of projects like this. And as you saw in the episode, there were gadgets, amazing puzzles, small decorations, cleaning, painting, and refreshing. And suddenly the effect is like, wow,